Met her in a flash of crimson fire, eyes like autumn, smile like desire. She trains hearts, not just hounds, got me spinning round and round. She don't waste time with passing flings, wants something real, not diamond rings. Quiet type, yeah, she stays inside, but her mind's a wild neon ride. She reads the dark, she writes the light, knows every twist in the dead of night. Horror flicks and a glass of red, she'll school your soul, then kiss your head. And she's not here for a maybe, she's a mother, a mystic, a maybe, a symphony dressed as a whisper. Got me hooked like a midnight thriller. She's got that true crime charm, tattoos and open arms, paints the sky with a flick of flame. Every day I'm learning her name. She's got dog-eared pages and vinyl dreams, coffee laughs and late night schemes. I don't need luck, I just need her cue, and maybe she'll choose me too. Brains and bass lines, books and bones, talks with eyes and text in tones. A little agnostic, a little wild, all wrapped up in her half smile. Mirror selfies and messy beds, curtains with combs and what she said. I'm not here just killing time, match my mind and I'll make you mine. No fast moves, no cheap disguise, she's the kind that feels like sunrise. You walk in storms, she's learned to tame, but say her name, you'll never be the same. She's got that true crown charm, tattoos and open arms, a lover, a fighter, a soul unscripted. One glance and my world got shifted. She's got dog-eared pages and vinyl dreams, coffee laughs and late night schemes. I'll skip the line, I'll play it true, just hoping she might choose me too. Yeah, maybe she'll choose me too.